Today we're going to talk about what if I want to change the wallpaper of my login screen. On Linux we use something called a display manager to do that. For this tutorial we're going to choose SDDM as our display manager. First of all we're going to install SDDM with the help of Yay. Type in Yay SDDM. As you can see, I installed the first one, so install that one and you should be good to go. After that, we're enabling SDDM to start when our device boots. Just type in sudo systemctl enable SDDM. It's going to ask you for a password, so just type that in. Now just pause the video and reboot your device, and after that we'll select our first wallpaper. Now go to the Arch Linux website. I'll link it in the description down below. Go to the AUR tab and search SDDM in the package search. The website is listing us all kinds of themes now. You can choose whatever you like. If you need a preview of a certain theme, just Google the name of the theme and it will surely show you how it looks like. You can also use websites like the KDE store, look up SDDM themes, unzip them and drag them into the folder I'm going to show you later on. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the Tokyo Night theme. So go back to the terminal, use the paru AUR helper and select your theme. As you can see, I already installed it, so I'm going to skip that step. Now we're going to the config of SDDM. Type in sudo nano /usr lib SDDM sddm.conf.d default conf. Go to the theme subsection and there you can see, just type in the name of your theme. My theme is Tokyo Night SDDM. And there you can also see the folder you can use. Right, it's down here. There are the themes. So you can use the KDE store to select the theme and just put it in this folder. I can show you the theme folder. USR share SDDM themes. There you can see all my themes. After you selected your theme, just reboot your device and you should be ready to go. If there are any questions, write them in the comments below and I'll see you in the next video.